Makwenda kama kanza. Awulae ke se manganzema wo meka hye dwanu a ye ba hu ka yiri de bi media ma mo ye yiri wa wo ke befa irale mi bi beyin mo le jomoro mari no mo ala yeti befa mbra because more yele conference ka ono man da mo ba adwene na ba ye ke da ma ye conference ka la da bi mu ala ya bia ko ka conference ka one evre pepe mo bezi bia ya do ye mu ala da ko ono man anake jima titi moyeba ya do conference ya do ke ya kwa erase no I say to reflect, to recollect, and then what, to focus or refocus odampo ono man se yara ne Bible no a menkamo ya wo no ala mole August eko Hebrew Olisaniye mo befre Elul, and Elul is a month that we do introspection. So we are not far from wrong to do introspection and refocus to see ourselves that whether we can achieve anything meaningful spiritually and physically. Mediama because yetu ejaka fofre, and the decision for this conference is to change the narrative. If you are going to change the narrative, yakuneke yetu ejaka fofre. Ewe be bizake na ejaka daba mo yodula ni aka ye woduria. Yenia ovi yenenya kwa nkoma bekazo Nzema, and for that matter, Western region. Yehemuzdon. Sedomo and Sika Yehemusbobola. Alabakala, Emily School Canada. That one alone must tell you that Yehemus will carry you to the Jaka for friend. Yinya don't have a work and more Yinya Yefi. Western region. Na hinya don ya ka no wo ka mo ye ba wa ye ya bidoro benzin ye no. Na ye biza ya wo ke. Na ye demu an bisua ye le we ye senu a wa ye kwa ye fa. Ye tu ya jakamo oba ba eni wo le ya ye benzin ye no. Sayala ka the name of the woman about our human capital. Many more ma or Yabola, Yeledi. Jamaica mo Yeledila. Oba Jima. More every biala, ye belly. Every biala, ye belly, or boile care. You make you more and go kula mobile, Jomorek Bobo Sukwa de Biela, but your bouquet. Dear moi yele sukwala ye sukwa ama won ayam vaswa ya madwomoro ba ye nwala ke inge kura mo ba odwomoro ke ba ko skula na benyale ka begina ane begendi ba ovia abrochi mo yangwa abrochi ro ba ho ya adna engra na mkedwa ka kumahirebe Manka, Befrey, John Ransford Amrema. Olua Odayati, ya Nami Dikia. Uncle John, Hallelujah, could be over. O say, about her wad na mass of the Wamba Wobbler. Na catching week, ewu a ye ba wo ya nzu ya bia konoko set na kidede na bo bra ele two options either care about nangra anatama anabrochi na wa bo bra na ewu a ya bo ye wu ele ke ja adeni anake you have the option of being called upon to sit in your car alive and then go to Benin. Then I said, oh, uncle, I want to sit in the car alive and go to Benin. Then he said, congratulations, Awulae. I didn't understand it. But now I do. Why do I say so? We have all been called to serve. In every capacity that we've been called, you are here to serve. Yemuala, Yova, Yawanto Pen. Yemobaya Lendi. Yemobaya Check Lucas, Mayale. Yemobaya Bahimamo, Mayale. Yemobaya Sujama, Mayale. Nabize okay. The beauty of the way you walk out. In Zan one vaso, yes, to Pura. Vaso, Monia, you want. C'est le vitamine, c'est le docteur. Ni akadia ya mbaso boni ya jogoro ye nya yefi wakanya. Conference ka le buka dan ya mawo. Ele ke bi ala mavia we wi ade kanu. Nelson ne bi jogoro ke. Ya puneke ya recognize wo. Ya puneke yu. Na ye no bonua ye tu jake mo ba benefit ana wran ba ala baso ya ma jogoro. Professor Louisa, working. When we were all children, he was a vibrant guy I met some years back here in Jomoro. Papa ha came from Jomoro, case moment cancer. But you area for national service. You come up with my real care, Maras Madagua. The average Nzema has a very high intelligent quotient. Smeri can be a lot of Kenya. Mobe say, if I am to make a woman, the average is so intelligent. Most young school bobola, or by him, no, the Kenya car, and we can you like Kenny. Moti Nzema, yellow baby, Nabama Yave. And yet now, Kukwe, what a friend Kukwe. When Jackie very well, I'm saying, Yana Namu, Baba Bani, I am I can't end a yellow people when you go about near a robber. Yana Namu, Beshu, Baba Kukwe, Bayo Kukwe. And then you die in the Agua, Kukuni, Yenti, Aman, Yafugua, Kalmi, yes, what Yampo. Yafayampo, Nigeria, you must see Yampo, Nigeria. The fact is, we have coconut all over our land. Therefore, let's begin to think about coconut first. I know someone is talking about cassava. It's okay. It's okay. But we have coconut in abundance. El Kebia Babala. First, Sebanzama. Yeniam of Bambo Guario. Yabu Guaruenia. A Popia Mabamuara. Beluguya. And for court Nzema, you let him out of court, or you could manage to Yaya. Or what a care. And I can care. Say you could if you can hear. You're not getting out. But my young, if you are going to reflect and recollect, know that your school fees was paid with coconut. Ewia neke motenya kuba mwenva soa. Se wonya kukwe mwenva soa dia. Ane mwenne mwayesie wo school mbare. Science has improved. Technology has improved. Knowledge has increased. Let us see. Let us focus on what we can do with our coconuts. A lot. The scientists among us, let us research and ensure that coconut becomes our gold from the West. I remember those days in secondary school, you were called the boys from the coconut. If you say you are Nzema, they will tell you the boys of coconut. Today, they cannot define us whether we are boys from coconut or boys from the Galamsey fields. I have said it, and I'm going to say it again. Jomoro will not trade our land for Galamsey. We will trade our lands for responsible mining and not for irresponsible mining. Maya munakaya fayaz dia yela. Odika mo ba so o maye number 1. Now we ba so o ma the double more the tinya better world. The next generation has to benefit. To end it all, let me say this, that my reign will be meaningful if I'm able to use the period that I will reign as a king to prepare the next generation to take off from me as far as development is concerned. I would have achieved a very huge aim of mine. If I cannot prepare the next generation, then I have failed. What am I going to do then? I want to focus my attention on education, 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 and then scientific education. I thank you as we discuss, as we reconnect, as we refocus. Let us ensure that whatever decisions that will come out of this conference will lead us to achieve our developmental goals. Brothers and sisters, let's come out of this conference with at least, not more than 5 communities that we can paste everywhere, so that next year when we gather like this, we will challenge ourselves that what did we do with these things that we said to ourselves that we are going to do. Ladies and gentlemen, Nanamo, Awulae, Medabas, Yamli Rabuwa.